Do you want to know that how to make a website using chat GPT? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So here we have OpenAI chat GPT opened up here. So what we will write here exactly, we will make a simple website using HTML and CSS. So we will ask from it, create, or we can say write HTML code with inline CSS for simple food delivery website. So we will hit enter and it will actually write the code for us. So here you are seeing that it is now writing the code for us here with some inline CSS. Okay guys, so now you are seeing that the code is completed and it's pretty basic. So we will just copy this code from here, and here I have opened up the W3 Schools HTML editor. So we will just replace this code by Control V, and then we will just enter the, and here you can see that it has built us a pretty basic website. Here are the pictures of the pizza and sushi and steak, but this is a good site, like a basic website. As I mentioned before, that this is just a basic code. Okay, it also saying here that this is a very basic example and there are many things that could be added to improve it. However, it should give you a good starting point for creating your own food delivery website. So that's how you can create a basic web page or basic website using chat GPT. We hope that you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions about the topic we have covered today, we would love to hear them from you in the comments section below. And thanks for watching this video, and we hope you have a fantastic day.